Are you wondering how to replace the filter cartridge in your Intex filter pump, or you just want to give it a good clean? That's exactly what I'll show you in this video. Let's go! Great, so this is how you open your Intex filter pump to replace or wash the filter cartridge. So first put it on a higher surface so the water will not overflow. Make sure the pump is switched off. Then you can release the top, the air release valve, and after that the grey ring as well. Open it up fully. Take out the filter cartridge. Go and clean it, give it a good wash, make it nice and white again. You can wash it under the tap, or you can use a slightly more powerful jet of water to get the filter even cleaner. If your filter cartridge cannot be cleaned well, or it's been used for more than a few weeks, it's best to replace it with a new one. The product links for those are in the video description. Once you have your clean filter, insert it in the pump, put the pump back together, close the grey ring, but leave the top small air release valve open. Put the pump on the floor so that it's below the pool water level, and then vent the air out of the system. You might have to shake the tubes a little bit to get all the air out. After that, close the air release valve when you are done and switch the pump back on. Now you've seen this video about the Intex filter pump. Are you interested to watch any more about this pump? I have another one that shows you the full unboxing and setup procedure of the pump itself, which I can highly recommend, somewhere else on the channel, and I'll link it here on screen, and otherwise it's going to be in the description. And I have another one that is troubleshooting the Intex filter pump, so it shows you the common problems you can run into with the pump and quick solutions to those as well. So it's already helped a lot of people, so you might find that useful too. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel to see more of me. Of course, don't forget to give me a like, and then we'll see you soon in the next one. Take care, thanks for watching, bye!